Welcome back to the Epic verification series for GMC registration. In this series, we are breaking down the Epic process into three clear steps. The first one is Epic registration. The second one is identity verification via Notary Camp. The third and the last is document submission and verification. If you haven't watched my first two videos, I will put the link into the description. Please have a look. In this video, I will show you the process of uploading your documents on the Epic platform and then trigger the credential verification. Please note that once you upload the document on the Epic platform, you will have to pay the credential verification fee, which is around $130. Just log in your ECFMG account, enter your username and password, go to My Credentials. Here you will see the option of uploading credentials. Press the Upload Credentials button. Of all the documents which you can upload, select the appropriate one. After selecting the document, now you have to upload the document. You have to make sure that you upload the document only in the specified format. After you upload the document, you will see the name of the college which issued the document. You have to add then further details, for example, student identification number, attendance start date, attendance end date, date medical degree was issued, title of the medical degree, and your full name. In the next step, Epic will ask you to choose the institution for which you are doing this credential verification. In my case, I was doing it for UK GMC, so I chose GMC here. Please also enter the GMC ID. The Epic will automatically send the verification report to GMC. Here you can see the overview of the application. You can see the status in my report section. Once your verification is completed, the Epic will send your report to the GMC. Now you can use your Epic ID for your GMC registration.